Bon, à l'occasion de la sortie de cet épisode 8 de The Amazing Digital Circus, il était peut-être temps de reprendre la série depuis le début, quelque chose que je n'ai pas fait en temps normal à la sortie des épisodes, mais... Bref, ceci étant dit, épisode 1, on va se faire la série entière depuis le début. Nous, ça nous fera une petite rétrospective. Comme ça, on sera à jour pour le grand final et la dépression aussi, en passant par là. Allez, on se lance. J'ai tenté de faire des meilleurs réglages. Je sais pas si c'est mieux.
No.
La lumière, tout ça. On verra bien. J'ai mon crâne chauve qui brille. Il est là, c'est parfait. Tout le monde dit il est là. Je regarde, je brille. On verra bien. J'ai changé de point de vue aussi. Parce que c'est mieux.
What did any of that mean?
Allez, hein. Je n'ai que pris. Donc oui, je dis l'épisode, c'est le pilote, hein, c'est pas l'épisode 1. Enfin, pas bien la pute. Allez, c'est parti les amis. À l'ancienne, on retrouve les sources. On va revoir l'animation comme elle a évolué de ouf.
Welcome to the Amazing Digital Circus!
À l'époque où il était
My name
gentil.
is Kane. I'm your ringmaster, and I'm here to show you the most jaw-dropping, heart-stopping, mind-bending paraphernalia you've ever laid your eyes upon! Isn't that right, Bubble?
That's right, Kane. I can't wait to see what you've got cooking up for today.
Well, let's not
Bubble.
waste any time. Let's get right into the show!
Bingo and Super and Keener too. Flag up the decks and make house move. Day after day after day after day after day we fly. As the moon and the sun and we
Ah, c'est une référence à Truman. À Truman Show. Le début de la merde. Le début de tout. Quelle belle époque. Juste pour le fair trade, rien à voir. Sorti le 14 octobre. Ah 14 octobre 2023. J'ai envie de canner quoi, ça fait longtemps.
Kane, is this one of your NPCs or is this a new sucker?
Ah
'Cause
là
if
là,
it's a
Michael
new
Kovacs.
character, we're gonna have to redo this whole theme song.
I'm
Nous
not
l'ont
doing
volé.
that again.
My! It
My.
appears a new human
My,
has
my, my.
entered this realm!
How do I take this headset off?
On
Just
avait
keep
tellement
grabbing
d'ignorance
at
sur
it.
tout.
That worked for all of us.
Sur tout. Bon.
What's going on?
What's going on?
I put on some weird headset and now I'm here. Who are you people?
Vous avez compris, n'achetez
Why
jamais de
can't I take
MetaQuest.
it off?
Voilà
Where
ce que ça
am
fait.
I?
Let's just try to calm
Et
down.
selon où vous êtes,
Everything's gonna be okay, new stuff. We've all been through
C'est
this.
étrange qu'ils leur
You
font.
just need to get your head
What
to...
the f is going on? What?
No, my dear. We can't have any of that foul
On va avoir droit à son
language
nom.
around here. The
Vite.
Amazing Digital Circus is a place to be enjoyed by all ages. You, my friend, stumbled into an incredible world of wonders where anything can happen. Except for swearing.
Oh my god. Well, how do I,
putain, j'ai une couleur, un teint bizarre grâce à, avec les couleurs de
Well,
la vidéo.
don't freak out about it or anything, but, we don't exactly...
You can't.
What?
Regarde.
Shut up, Jax. But, yeah, he's right. Welcome to your new home. And your new body.
À
A
l'époque
new
où
home?
Jax n'avait pas encore,
What do
n'était
you
pas
mean?
encore à deux doigts d'abstract.
Guys, don't be mean.
We've been stuck here for years. Old Kinger over there's supposedly been here the longest.
Did someone say something about an insect collection?
That's why he's crazy. Eh.
Est-ce qu'on remarquera d'autres détails? Je sais pas. On va revoir le mannequin spawn partout, ça c'est sûr.
Oh, okay, now I get it. This is a dream. And
A
I should just
dream!
play along and
That
do
means we
it,
can dream!
right?
Non, ça manque de gun pour ça.
Whatever you say, kid.
They broke my comedy mask.
Skin Gangle.
So,
Yep.
Kane, we having a new adventure today for the newbie or what?
I'd like to give our
Lucas, c'est
brand
vraiment
new
fou,
member
quand
a
même, hein.
tour
Je le
of
dis
the circus
toujours.
grounds first. Off we go!
Un petit tour.
Here we have the tent. This is where your living quarters are, as well as all sorts of other activities. These activities may include
Ils sont capables d'avoir des cachets, des refs ou des blagues là-dedans. C'est sûr.
Ball pits, mini golf, and
Je vais
more.
pas chercher, j'ai la flemme.
And here we
Laisse ça
have
au fou
the
furieux.
grounds. Drown yourself in the digital lake or engage in ridery at the digital carnival.
Par contre, on a toujours pas vu. Moi, le parc d'attractions, j'attends. Hein. On a eu le droit au lac, officiellement, du coup. Moi, je veux voir le parc d'attractions. Hein. Je veux mon épisode.
Night, day, it's all okay. The
C'est
choice is
Nico, mais
yours.
bon.
A cosmic buffet.
Is that all there
Ouais,
is?
tu te remarques de
Of
la
course
lune.
not.
Non.
This is the void. We don't venture out into the void. Not even I know what's out there.
That's
We stay right here,
ça peut
where
été
I can keep
rementionné,
my
mais-
hundreds of all-seeing eyes on you.
Après, c'est du vide.
Hello, Kane. I love you.
Let's get out of here before the moon gets frisky.
Wait, what's that?
Une porte.
Whoa,
Bubble.
clean up on aisle U.
I'm on it, boss. Ow.
Why are you like this?
Gros dégueulasse.
Wait, was that an exit door I saw out
Et
there?
ça donne, hein.
Is that a way to leave?
J'aime bien ça.
What exit? If there was a way to leave, I'm pretty sure we'd have all left by now.
Encore enfin.
Yeah, what are you talking about?
I
Gros
assure
va.
you, there is no magical exit door. You're probably just experiencing digital hallucinations from your mind's transition to the digital plane.
I swear I saw it.
Digital hallucinations.
Ça assume que dalle. C'est pas pris
How
pour le
about we
futur.
talk
Hein.
about something else? What's your
Non.
name?
My name? My name is.
Je vais même pas le refaire, c'est impossible.
Oh God! Why can't I remember my name?
Nobody can remember their name once they enter the digital circus. One of the few things I don't have control over are your minds. So all I can help you with is coming up with a new one.
Mytho, hein. Comme ça, hein. Gros mytho.
What's
On
my
va pas, mais j'ai pas l'habitude, ok. Putain, bien.
Don't you worry your little head. Your new name can be anything. Hereby acknowledging that your chosen name and your names may not breach the digital circus user license agreement, stating that your name may not include objectionable content.
Petite pensée aux sous-titres qui n'ont pas du tout le temps de suivre.
What are you thinking?
Donc ceux
I
qui...
don't care, just pick anything.
Let's see. What do you think of?
I don't.
Right, terrible. Let's try that again.
Je me sens mieux maintenant.
What do you think of Pomni?
Sure. I think I just.
Gadzooks, you're right, Jax. We should have a brand new adventure for our new member, Pomni.
Allez, chasser
5
Kofmo.
minutes ago.
You! Do you like adventure? Activity? Wonder? Danger? Horror? Pain? Suffering? Agony? Death? Disease? Death? Angel food cake? Ow!
On y est à la torture. C'est
You
bon.
parasite!
I don't.
You around here, we're gonna make it a simple in-house adventure to warm you up to how things work around here.
What? No, God. I don't want an in-house
La toute
adventure.
première version
Don't
de Zubel,
worry,
c'est vrai qu'on
Zubel.
rigole,
I'll make
rigole,
it something
mais,
unobtrusive that you can still
c'est
choose
sa
to
toute
not
première
get
version,
involved
celle que j'ai un
with.
peu lue.
Today's adventure is...
Imaginez, il y aurait une peluche à chaque transformation, putain, on n'est pas rendu.
That's right! The entire circus tent will be infested with gloinks! And you gotta catch them all!
Putain, par contre, c'est vrai, Bubble. Oh là 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 là. Oh, on voit la différence. Bon, normal, hein, c'est le pilote, mais franchement, le comparatif pilote et épisode 8, il est. C'est des années-lumière.
What are
Oh là là.
I'm glad you asked, Bubble! They're
they? And
small...
what do they do?
They...
How do they?
Gloinks are small, mischievous critters that steal anything and everything they run into. Why do these humanoid
Gloinks.
hash browns do this? How do you stop them? That's
En fait, ça vient de là, le SDF Movie 16 il a volé son fromage.
for you to find out.
C'est
Now,
juste
good
ça.
luck and have fun, my little superstars.
Ah, c'est une ref à Freddy dans Security Breach.
What did any of
Vous l'avez?
that mean?
Oh, that's just one of
Demande à
Kane's
Marky
little
Player.
adventures. They're just something fun to do to, you know, prevent us from going insane.
Speak for yourself.
Vite fait.
If anyone needs me,
Vite fait, vite
then
fait.
off.
Oh, God.
La kidnapping. Ils ont pété à Zubel. La tête de Jax. Google.
Oh no, they killed Zubel. Anyway, you guys want to go get something to eat?
Oh, wait. We should go check on Kaufmo. I'm pretty sure he'd like to meet Pomni.
My impenetrable fortress!
You want to come with us to check on Kaufmo?
No, not really.
C'est ouf
I
quand même
think Kaufmo's gone
que
insane. Last time I spoke with him, he was rambling endlessly
Ouais,
about some
abstract vraiment le
exit.
jour de l'arrivée de
Kind of
Pomni.
like you, Pomni. You might be going insane too.
But wait,
C'est louche.
wouldn't that more likely mean the exit does exist?
Could also mean you just have a jump start and losing your mind.
What about Zubul? Well, I think I'd like to ask him about
Du
it.
coup, après
If
avoir vu
this was
l'épisode
real,
8, je maintiens
which
le...
it isn't, because it's a dream.
Dans l'épisode 8, il parle du fait
She
que...
still thinks this is a
Attends,
dream.
peut-être attendre un peu. Oh, je sais pas.
Why are you looking at me like that?
I'm fine with doing whatever, as long as I get to see funny things happen to people. Okay, I've already had enough of these things.
Parce que du coup, dans l'épisode 8, ils font référence au fait que... Enfin, Kinger explique le truc qu'ils ont du contrôle sur le cirque. Tous, c'est juste qu'ils n'ont pas les compétences ou les skills. Enfin, ils savent pas encore l'utiliser, on va dire le pouvoir. Kinger arrive à faire apparaître un papillon pour se redonner une vie. Mais la porte qui spawn à chaque fois pour... Bah après, Kaufmo l'a vu aussi, mais peut-être que lui aussi, sa volonté était tellement forte. Est-ce que du coup, c'est la volonté de Pomni qui fait apparaître cette porte, justement? Parce que, avec un léger contrôle. Parce que même dans l'épisode 8, elle arrive à faire respawn cette porte. Parce que du coup, justement, c'est pas une sorte de contrôle en soi.
You, me, and Pomni will go check on Kaufmo, which leaves Crybaby and Hoo-Ha together to go
Hoo-Ha.
handle the Zubul situation.
Do you think pairing them up together is a good idea?
Of
Oui.
course I do.
Ah oui.
They're the two most mentally stable and capable characters to be paired together. Come on, ladies, let's go harass the
Ça me fera
clown.
toujours rire. C'est stupide, bon drôle. Tout ce qu'on aime, quoi.
My comedy mask is broken again.
Ah! Oh! Gangle, you startled me.
J'ai plus
So, this is where we all live.
le doubleur de
Oh
Kinger,
well,
mais
where we all sleep
ouais, il
at
a dû
night.
s'amuser. Bon,
Even
tous,
though we
hein,
don't
de toute
really
façon.
need to sleep,
Scratch.
it's sometimes nice to kind of take a break from everything and have a bit of a
Regarde.
routine, you know? I'm
pas
sure
voir les
there'll be
autres persos
one
qu'on voit dans l'épisode 8,
for...
justement.
Oh, look, you already got one.
Cette tête trop bonne.
I still don't understand about the adventures. Why even go on them at all? Why not try to find a way to leave?
J'ai de voir des
Well,
détails.
they usually do
Jamais.
when we first arrive, but
Petite
after a
relecture.
while you start to realize that you really can't leave, and constantly chasing an unattainable goal will start driving you a bit crazy. And eventually you get to asking what the point of anything is, and you completely lose sight of who you are and why you're even alive, and when you reach your breaking point, something really terrible can happen.
This is fine.
But that's not something we need to deal with today. Above anything else, the adventures give us something to do that keeps our minds healthy and stimulated.
Thank goodness this is all a dream, right, Pomni?
Why are we here again? What are we doing?
We're getting one of our friends.
C'est le seul qui a une sonnette, non?
Huh.
Ouais, c'est le seul qui a une sonnette.
Maybe
Il a un
he's
petit
not
luc.
in his room?
C'est le fave.
I hope he's all right.
Don't worry, Dollface. I've got a key to his room.
Wait, what? Why? You shouldn't have keys to anyone's room.
Nah, I've got keys everywhere, and you've all been fine. By the way, I may have left something in your room today, so let me know if you find it. You're not afraid of centipedes, are you?
Jax! That's literally my only fear. Why would you do this?
What? It could be a completely unrelated question. You'll never know until it's too late.
Tout va bien.
I've been looking for this. Thanks for keeping an eye on it, Coffee. I'm gonna
Ça
head
n'a
out.
tellement rien à foutre de son moment.
Oh!
Juste le gars, quoi.
Been obstructed.
Et du keep farm, ce
Okay.
bâtard. en vrai.
What is that?
It might be that terrible thing I was talking about earlier when you reach your breaking point.
Huh?
Okay, wait. Maybe there's still time to fix him if we get Kane. Whoa, Cosmo, listen. I know we
Allez,
didn't
c'est
always
ciao.
get along, like when you called me out for fake
Salut,
laughing at your
démerde-toi.
jokes. I swear I really did think they were funny. I was just having a bit of a bad day.
Hop, hop.
Hey, Pommy. Thank you. Perhaps help me out here. I understand you don't want to, though.
On connaît ça, c'est la prochaine mutation du Covid. C'est chiant. Hein. 26, il s'adapte. Hein. Du coup, autant une abstraction, une abstraction sur le nouvel épisode, autant l'animation est folle. Là, ça date un petit peu encore. On va taper du Glonks. Ah, donc, il est parti. Oui.
I don't know what I'm looking at here.
Ça, c'est un autre.
We saw Gloin
dialogue.
carry one of Zubal's pieces down there, remember?
Oh, yeah. Thank you for the recap. Boy, we're not very good at this, are we?
Du coup, en descendant dans la cave avec les Glonks, il est pas censé être un peu plus sain d'esprit, Singer. On suit un peu la logique.
Fellas.
We found the Zubal hole.
Cool.
How is Kaufmo doing? I hope he's not still mad at me for not laughing at his jokes.
Oh, he's doing great. In fact, I don't think I've ever seen him this happy before.
Well, it's good to know he hasn't completely lost his mind.
He actually asked me to give you this.
Oh!
Ouais, il y a quand même pas mal de lumière en vrai. Ah, bon, mais il me dit des conneries pareil. Donc.
An insect collection?
I think it's a nest.
Hello? Ragatha? That was your name, right?
Over here.
Ça peut être pratique, hein. Moi, je trouve.
Look, I didn't mean to leave you behind like that. I just look at my hand. I didn't know what to do.
It's okay. What you need to do right now is find Kane. He'll be able to fix me up and take care of Kaufmo.
Okay, but where can I
Crie,
find
en
him?
vrai.
I don't really know. Just look around and call for him, I suppose.
Okay, I'll get him. You just stay right there. Not that you can really move or anything. Just hang in there. I'll be right back. I promise.
Cool. Oh, so Pommy. I'm sorry. Your first day here.
C'est la pire arrivée.
Be so terrible.
Piche que dalle, il y a un abstract, il y a rien qui veut.
Yeah, well, don't worry about it. I'm just gonna go get Kane now. Hello? Kane?
Là.
We have a bit of an issue here.
Tout petit, hein? Vraiment rien du tout. Et on va retomber sur le mec dans son bain. Ça me fait délirer. C'est ma cam, ça, moi. C'est ma cam.
Kane?
C'est vrai qu'il y a déjà des bulles. C'est pas les bulles. Faut que ce soit un élément qui change tout.
What form of non-Gloinkinian mass dares presume presence in the nest of the Gloink Queen?
6.
Oh, is that who you are?
Si je trouve un 7,
You know,
je
you
le ferai
could
pas.
have asked for my consent before forcing me to see something so
Peut-être.
completely and utterly disgusting.
How despicable! A rabbitoid that runs its mouth in the presence of my royal figure!
Well, as a royal myself, I would like to kindly ask if... Oh, look, there's Zubal. Hi, Zubal.
Help me, you idiots!
Kinda rude, Zubal. Now I don't want to help you.
No, I always lose.
Yes!
Ah, c'est un peu de la triche du coup. Vraiment.
Gotcha! Oh.
Hey! King, are you
Rayman Ref, sûrement.
Eh, they'll be fine.
Ça, on enculé Jack, c'est pas le moment.
Gotta hide, gotta hide.
Le miroir. C'est le miroir en DLSS. C'est le miroir DLSS 5 désactivé. Dans 8 ils l'ont activé. Ah. J'ai une bille dans la gorge ou quoi? Casse les couilles. Allez, une petite crame. Hop là. Ah.
God, where's Kane?
Yep. Il y a un peu les mêmes particules aussi qu'avec le papillon, je pense. Après, le papillon, c'est pour la beauté du truc, mais... Oh, autant c'est le même principe, c'est elle, sa capacité. Enfin, capacité. Elle arrive à avoir la porte, du coup. Par contre, du coup... Est-ce qu'on retrouve des images qu'on a vues dans le 8? C'est une vraie question. À part toute la scène qui est la même. On va faire ça. Salut.
You foolish assortment of colorful characters! Do you not realize that everything must be Gloinks? I am Gloinks. You will be Gloinks. God will be Gloinks.
This is dumb and weird.
Well, yet you're still watching it.
I'm not here for the adventure or anything. I'm just here to hide from the...
Suplex!
Oh, thank God you're okay. You didn't experience a game show in there, did you?
What are you talking about?
What's happening?
It's just Kaufmo. Don't worry about it.
Tout va bien.
Kaufmo
Kaufmo est mort.
Nah, he's fine.
You're right. How are we
C'est
gonna
vraiment
get
le
out of
même en
here?
boucle, quoi.
Guys, over there.
Ladies first. No, wait, why would I say that?
Wait, Pomni's not even here? Wasn't this
Encore
whole
de
thing
Zoubel.
for
Be
her?
quiet. I can't hear the
Ça, je sors la
escalator.
boîte. Une porte à 1 mètre d'une porte. Ça, c'est cool, seulement. Permettez-moi de manger mon coin. Qui est le fameux roi avec le MetaQuest. Attention. TNA. Ouais, moi c'est rouge du coup, je sais pas si c'est un peu si je dois noter la cinématique. Après peut-être qu'elle traverse la porte dans le vide, c'est juste que sur la map, qu'est-ce qu'il a pu de mémoire. Ça va me faire.
Oh, Bubble, you always know how to make me say this exact sentence.
Je veux la même montre, hein.
Gasp!
paye
Alert on
bien
my
cher pour
wacky
l'avoir.
watch at this hour?
Plus $1, c'est une affaire.
Oh no! Someone's venturing out into the void! They'll get totally spoiled!
Après, peut-être que pour lui, le vide, c'est juste une note de test
There you
d'expérimentation de ses aventures.
Now what the heck happened around here? Oh,
c'est
yeah.
normal.
My doing.
Kane! Kaufmo went through a sort of kaufmosis and abstracted.
Kaufmo abstracted? Why didn't anybody tell me? And into the cellar you go.
Allez, en zonzon. Est-ce qu'on peut légitimement deviner combien il y a d'abstracti de mon cul de merde? Bon, c'est infaisable. Bon, après, il y en a, on sait. Pas trop compliqué. Ou alors, est-ce que c'est les deux sont censés représenter... Bah non, du coup.
Man, I can't believe Kaufmo just gave up like that. I mean, no offense, Kinger, but I always thought you would be next.
Thank you.
Guess it just goes to show you can't rely on Kinger for anything.
I am in so much pain.
Alors, on a la force dans le bras, se déplacer à un bras tout le long. L'étage, la distance.
I do have to apologize for lying about the exit. I knew how much all of you have been wanting there to be one, but, you know, I was having so much trouble figuring out what to put on the other side and ended up never quite finishing it. And you know how I never like letting people see my unfinished work, especially if it
Le
leads
début de
you
la
out
folie.
into the void. Anyway, looks like you defeated the Gloik Queen, so I guess the adventure's over. Your reward is a delicious digital feast cooked by our head bubble chef.
Made with all the love I'm legally allowed to give.
You know, I am pretty hungry.
You didn't even do anything.
So what? I can still be hungry.
Well, not really, because we don't need to eat, drink, or sleep in this digital world. So the digital food here only gives off the virtual sensation of eating, without any of the nutritional benefits.
Sheesh, lay off it. Since when are you an expert on the digital world?
Le lundi matin, quand t'arrives au boulot. Six petites zones alors que le monde est immense, vraiment. Et voilà, ce sera tout pour le pilote. Regardez. Il est si court que ça. Ah ouais. On va revoir l'ancien merch. Ah bah il est toujours en... Bon. Bah écoutez, on va s'arrêter là pour aujourd'hui. Donc, petit pilote tranquille. Il ne restera plus que les autres épisodes pour se remettre à jour. Et puis après, il faudra attendre juin pour le grand final. Oh là là. Et de Canet. Ma foi. Salut la team.